Hello everyone, my name is Gauri and welcome back to my channel. Recently I have developed some interest in BDS, not some actually. So here I am making some BDS crafts DIY decor for me. And first of all I am going to make a magnet for me. Here I have taken one MDF board size 4 inches and I am using acrylic colors. I'm using all these vibrant colors and just making a beautiful background. Never use water while you are working with acrylics, especially on wood or canvas. So I have merged all the colors perfectly. They have blended very nicely. Now I am making the BTS logo here. You can draw it first or you can use a scale as well. I am writing BTS in the center of it. Now I am making the purple color. As we all know, purple color signifies BTS. I have taken blue color, red color and white color. I have used a very thin brush, one number brush, and I'm writing shining through the city with a little funk and soul. At the end, I am making a purple heart as a purple U. Now I'll just add some magnets and stick it on my fridge. For the second craft, I have taken one more MDF wood heart shape. I'm using purple color again and I am making a balloon here, a small balloon. Now I am filling the corners with this purple color. And I am writing Kim Tae-hang. He's my bias. So I'm writing his name here. This quote is given by V. I left a purple balloon in your dream. Look it up. I have painted the second side in grey color, and now I am painting the second logo of BTS, the simple heart. On the top of it I am writing BTS, and then one side ARMY, and then I purple U. Both sides are ready and have dried up, so I am fixing a keychain in it. Isn't it cute? I am a reader as well, so I love making bookmarks for me. This time I am making BTS Bookmark. I'm going to make a 3D realistic purple heart. First I am just making a simple drawing of a heart, and you can use a pencil in case you are not that good in drawing. Now I have taken a flat brush and very dried black color, and I'm just rubbing the black color on the top of this heart. Now with the same brush and color, I am just giving outlines one side. It will give it a 3D effect. Then I have used white color, again the same brush and dried white color. You can make it dry by rubbing the brush on a paper towel. Then just add some white lines on the black part and here at the bottom of the heart. It will make it, it looks like it's shining. Then again I'm writing my bias name here, Taihang. And here Sarangyo. I know I'm going to use this bookmark a lot. Now I am painting one of my favorite mugs. I love having tea in this mug. Again I'm using acrylic colors. And here I'm writing, we don't need permission to dance, and of course we don't need permission to have tea. So they all are ready now and I actually love everything. Let's see what I'm going to make in future. I am sure I'm going to make a lot of BTS DIY crafts, and of course I'll decorate my corners and room with these things. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.